What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we got a John boat upgrade, little fish finder upgrade for the front of the boat to go along here with this front trolling motor, Striker Vivid 5CV plus transducer, 5-inch fish finder and GPS from Garmin. And we're going to unbox this here and get this started here. Here's the unit itself. Transducer protected with that bubble wrap. Covered the adjuster, transducer mount. So we got everything here. So I'm going to put this together and yeah, we're going to see how this works. Alright, so what I need to do now is connect the black wire and the red wire to the front battery with these terminals here. I'm going to connect right here so we can connect it to the battery under here. Alright, so I put these connectors on here, as you can see. Run some electrical tape. You know, not the most professional of job, but it'll be great. It'll work. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is assembling the transducer to the bottom of the trolling motor, using these provided little hex washers and screws here. Just putting it in these holes, and this is the transducer. Just getting that all screwed together here. Alright, so what I'm doing now is we are taking this bracket here and running it through these holes of the transducer and attaching it here. Alright, so what I did here is I've hooked up the transducer to the trolling motor with that strap here. Got to start on the zip ties, and I connected it to the battery. Alright, so I installed this little bracket here. It's able to be moved. You gotta turn it side to side. Probably should loosen it up a tad. Pretty sweet. So now, put this in here like that. Let's get to that. Got these little notches in here that this just like kind of slides into. Woo! Looking sharp. It's adjustable. Let's give this a shot. Power. Oh. Pull this loop thing off, which is handy for when you're taking it off. Make sure the plugs don't get water in them. And there we go. She's in. did the best I could as far as wiring that cable up the arm of the trolling motor. I'd have to say that this is probably the most difficult part of the whole installation, is trying to get that wire on there. Probably might have some more troubleshooting to do here with that wire, but on to mounting the bracket right here. So I'm going to screw some holes here. It came with a little nut, this piece here, to mount that onto that. And so yeah, let me get to that and then we'll be right back. Alright guys, so here it is, all installed. Looking quite sharp. Let's pull this off. Woo! English. Got all these modes in here. Clear view. Can't see anything, but that's it guys. Garmin installation. Not too bad. Thanks for watching.